Good morning, Hug Buggies. It's time for another baking day. Yay! So today we are going to make lips or mouth with some teeth in it. Oh, sounds interesting, hey guys? So you need some pieces of red apple. So what you can do is you cut your apple into quarters. Let mommy or adult help you. You cut it into quarters, and then you take a quarter and you just cut that into half as well, or maybe 3 pieces, and then you just take 2 of the 3 pieces to get this nice size for the little lips. You need some small white marshmallows and some peanut butter. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to put some peanut butter on the apple. Yeah, at the sides you put some peanut butter. And remember guys, the red side of the apple, that represents the lips, the mouth. Okay, so we'll put a little bit of more. You guys can also use the back of a teaspoon to put on the peanut butter. It's always easier that way. Teacher Anja loves using the back of a teaspoon. Okay, now I put some peanut butter there. Then, yummy peanut butter. Then I'm going to take my marshmallows and put it on top of one of the sides of the apple. You see, put it there. I've got 4 little marshmallows here. Then you take the other side, the side where you put the peanut butter, and you put the peanut butter side on top. And look at that, guys. Look how cute. It's a little, let's just wipe some of these. There's peanut butter everywhere. And it looks like a little mouth. Do you see that, guys? How cute is that? Let's put it up like this. Look at that! There's your little mouth with teeth. Some apple and marshmallows. Oh guys, it's so cute, and I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. You guys must have fun. Bye my Hug Buggies.